You know, I hear a lot of IT leaders are concerned about what's commonly called technical debt. What's your perspective on what technical debt is and how it should be addressed?
When I hear words like legacy or technical debt, all that means to me is that this system is so mission critical, it can't be replaced, right? Or replaced easily, right? So what do you do? What do you do about these situations, right? Do they have to be replaced? And when do they realistically have to be replaced? And what can you do in the meantime? So when you have older systems like that, really the concerns with these older systems is really mostly about cybersecurity.
For sure.
Right? Compatibility and integrations with other systems. You know, sometimes it's, we need a modern UI or something like that. So the question is how can we solve the issues that these older systems create for us so that those concerns are no longer there? Because let's face it, software doesn't age. Right? It doesn't get old. It doesn't break down.
It doesn't deteriorate.
It doesn't deteriorate like a car.
The ones don't change to zeros.
Right? I mean, if the system is so mission critical that it's working, but we have these concerns, let's figure out how to solve these concerns. And Rimini Street has a lot of great programs to be able to do that, to secure even the older software, to make it compatible with almost anything that needs to happen. Or if we want to do any kind of modernization on top of it to transform it all together without having to go through a massive project to replace these systems with something new. Now, if we do get to the appointment after we're doing this, technical risk assessment or whatever you want to call it, then what we can do is help you on a journey to replace it with something else through gathering business requirements and helping you with the software selection. And then when you get there, hopefully you'll let us support it along the way after you go live with that new system. So this is a really great way to work with a company like Rimini Street that is agnostic, right? We're going to give you the best advice, not like some other consulting firms or something that is going to get you to do the most changes you possibly can to replace everything that you have when you don't necessarily need to do that. So give us a call and give us a talk about that, and we'll tell you how we do it.
Great. I think in more cases than not, as we go through those things that you just mentioned that are attributes of technical debt, security, compatibility. One other one comes to mind is perhaps customization and the resources that were responsible for that no longer here or are leaving. And then finally, end of support by the vendor, right? And more often than not, as we help go through each of those and show our clients the Rimini way, that we see that the answer is yes. We can keep that going. We can turn what's seen as a debt into an ongoing asset because of what we can do to modernize and support on an ongoing basis until such time as it might eventually become debt.
Well, that's right. And the biggest reason why these systems become so difficult to replace is because they're highly customized. If we do want to keep these systems, how are we going to support it? Who's going to support it, right? Because maybe the person or people that know that, are maybe getting close to retirement age maybe. So this is a really fantastic way to use Rimini Street to come in, take a look at the systems, we'll document it through and through, we'll take over the support of that stuff so that you don't have to worry about that support, whether it's supporting it from a end of life, from the support, all the way to day-to-day maintenance and monitoring of it along the way. You can give that problem over to us. The concerns are checked off, and you can then go on and do something that provides more value to the company than taking care of these old systems.
Very good, thanks.
Thank you.